farmers currently find themselves barred from accessing their equipment due to John Deere's stringent repair policies, compelling them to depend on expensive authorized technicians for even the simplest repairs. As the costs of John Deere machinery rise, small and mid-sized farms struggle to survive, prompting them to explore alternatives from competitors such as Kubota and AGCO. Moreover, John Deere's layoffs and outsourcing strategies adversely affect rural communities, leaving thousands unemployed and jeopardizing local economies reliant on these jobs. In response, the political backlash against John Deere's outsourcing has intensified, with prominent figures like Donald Trump threatening severe tariffs on imported equipment, underscoring the fraught relationship between corporations and American workers. Simultaneously, China's pursuit of agricultural self-sufficiency profoundly impacts American farmers, contributing to a collapse in crop prices and posing a serious threat to the agricultural economy in the U.S. Furthermore, the ongoing automation revolution in farming could lead to significant job losses, albeit improving efficiency for companies like John Deere. This technological transformation raises profound concerns regarding the job landscape for agricultural workers. Small family-owned farms face mounting challenges against larger operations, largely due to the high costs associated with advanced automation. This financial strain often forces them into substantial debt to remain operational. In addition, government policies and federal subsidies disproportionately favor large-scale farms, placing small farmers at a considerable disadvantage and creating an uneven playing field within the agricultural market. Compounding these issues, climate change presents further obstacles for farmers as erratic weather patterns disrupt crop production, compelling many to invest in costly adaptations to sustain their productivity. In light of these challenges, town hall meetings have emerged as vital forums for farmers to strategize against corporate greed, showcasing their collective determination to oppose John Deere. Consequently, the discontent surrounding John Deere's repair restrictions has led to an uptick in boycott campaigns, urging farmers to explore alternative brands and diversify their options. An underground movement also materialized, as farmers and hackers collaborated to bypass John Deere's software locks, embodying their commitment to regain control over their equipment and challenge corporate monopolies. Public outrage against John Deere's restrictive repair policies has mounted, resulting in heightened pressure from farmers and independent repair shops for legal changes. In response, a new bipartisan bill has been introduced, aiming to compel equipment manufacturers like John Deere to permit independent repairs, potentially transforming the repair industry. However, John Deere's aggressive counteractions, including lawsuits and new initiatives, seek to maintain control over repair access, raising significant concerns about safety and intellectual property. The growing frustration among farmers has spurred a movement that gained momentum, leading to investigations into John Deere's practices and galvanizing public support for repair rights and consumer protection. Lawmakers have begun introducing bipartisan bills designed to secure farmers' rights to perform independent repairs, directly challenging John Deere's existing business model. Despite John Deere's efforts to counter these legislative initiatives, farmers have organized protests and harnessed social media to amplify their cause, with public opinion increasingly favoring farmer autonomy over corporate interests.